Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Gmail account you will delete and why. Backup anything critical, emails, Drive, contacts. Once signed in at your Google account page, navigate to Data and Privacy. Make sure two-step verification and the recovery email or phone are accessible so you can complete security checks. You're doing this now to avoid being locked out later. Next, go straight to the section labeled Delete Your Google Account to begin the removal process. Once in Delete a Google service, select Gmail Removal. You'll be asked to verify your password and possibly authenticate with two-step verification. You must confirm ownership and read the list of services and content that will be removed. This includes purchases, subscriptions, and associated third-party sign-ins. Make sure to add a recovery email for exported data if required. Proceed only after you understand what is permanent, and once done, Google will present final confirmation prompts. You now accept the final confirmation to delete Gmail. Read any recovery windows or account effects carefully because deletion can impact other Google services. After confirming, ensure exported data downloaded correctly to your device, verify file sizes and spot-check contents. If the process fails, check for active sessions, unresolved payments, or linked services preventing deletion. Sometimes signing out everywhere and clearing browser cache helps. As a final tip, contact Google support if account
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.